Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween and I really hope you're doing well. You must be thinking, who is this? What look is this? And damn, this lip shade is just popping out. It's stunning. So I've created this look using some new products. So I'll take you through this look and show you the new products that I've used. For now, just have a look at this look. Isn't it really beautiful? So I got these products from Bellora Cosmetics and I got 3 products. Firstly, this is First Made Safe certified makeup brand across Europe, Asia, and it is now available in India. And I got these 3 amazing products and I have used these products for creating my look today. So one by one, we'll dive into these products. I'm going to show you the texture, the application and everything. Before moving forward, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Button यहाँ है, जरा जल्दी से दबा दो. And also, if you haven't watched my previous video, that is my Goa vlog. Go check it out right now. You can find it up here. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So yeah, this is me barefaced and you will see the transformation now. So I got these products from Bellora Cosmetics. This is the box that I received. We have 3 products in this. I'll show them one by one and I will use them and you will see how my makeup turns out with these products. So first is the illuminating moisturizer. So this is the packaging. So it says Radiant Natural Nano Gold Fruits and AHAs. I believe इसमें fruits and AHAs हैं. Let's open it and see how it looks. So it looks like your any moisturizer tube, or rather like primer or a CC cream tube. And I can smell something like a very nice and light fragrance. Actually, I just realized this as I opened the packaging. Ooh, it's quite illuminating and moisturizing as well. As you can see, it has a very nice and pleasant fragrance. As you can see, it is quite hydrating as well. So this is a proper illuminating moisturizer. I am applying it for the very first time and I didn't apply it till now because I wanted to give you the first impressions of this. It is giving me such a hydrated and glowing look. So you can see the effect already. You can just apply this and go out and it will look really good. I mean, if I just apply some kajal and go out with some lip balm or lip gloss, my skin will glow. It will look like you have a natural glow. And this is also very lightweight. This is not at all greasy. Really not all greasy, very lightweight and really good. I really like this product, honestly. Though these products were sent to me, but this is going to be my honest review, and so far I really like the moisturizer. So now we'll quickly do our base and we'll move on to the next product. So I've done my base and I can literally see the glow from that moisturizer. I simply love it. Let's move on to the next product, and that is the Identity 24/7 Intense Black Kajal. This is the packaging. I really like the packaging. The packaging is really nice and it is a cream colored thing, and nudes matching again. Ooh, this is the kajal and let's apply it now. I'll just show you a swatch first. It's very smooth and very creamy. So I have applied the kajal on my upper waterline as well to define my eyes a little more, and then I smudged it a little bit as well. So this kajal is 24 hours long stay, intense black and one stroke, and enriched with oils and vitamin E, smudge proof and waterproof. So I really like how the kajal is, and it has, I have smudged it a little and it has turned out to be really beautiful, and I'm really liking how my eyes are looking right now. And before moving towards the next product, let's quickly, finish and set our base and, apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. So let's move on to our final product, that is this lipstick. This is the Leave No Evidence lipstick. The name is literally crazy. And this is a matte liquid lipstick enriched with jojoba oil and shea butter. Honestly, I have opened this lipstick and I've seen the packaging. I haven't tried out the shade yet, but look at the packaging. The packaging is so chic and classy and beautiful, and the shade looks pretty good. I'll tell you the shade name, 12 Rusty Nut, and this is kind of a rusty red maybe. So let's apply and see this. I am so excited to try out this lipstick. I can't wait. Jab se I am like, I have to try this soon. It's quite red, you see. It's not even a rusty red, it's a proper red. I think it's a bright red color. The formula is very creamy. It is very smoothly gliding on my lips. Oh my god, just look at this shade. This is looking so pretty. मेरे पास ऐसा कोई shade नहीं है. I'm really happy that I got this shade, and oh wow. And it is super matte, but it is not drying at all. Look how beautiful it is looking. I'm so happy with this lipstick. So the packaging says that it is long stay, lightweight and kiss proof. It is definitely lightweight. Let's see if it is kiss proof or not. It is definitely kiss proof. That's amazing. Nothing, it's really kiss proof, and I love how the shade looks on me. Let's quickly get ready and show you the final look. And I'm ready. This is the final look. I just put on some accessories, and I've tied my hair in a very low bun, and I've curled out this strand, and the look is all just standing out because of this lip shade and this hairstyle. So this is a very retro kind of a look. I am really liking and loving the look. I'm so happy with how everything has turned out. My base looks pretty good today. My lips look fantastic. So in all, I really love the Bellora Cosmetics products. I use their 3 products, their illuminating moisturizer, their kajal, and their matte liquid lipstick. I totally recommend all the 3 products. The products are really amazing and literally worth your money. The illuminating moisturizer and the lipstick already have become my favorite, and I'm gonna use this illuminating moisturizer so much now onwards because it's really hydrating and gives a beautiful glow. I also have a special coupon code for you guys. It is here on the screen. You can use this code to get some discount on your products. This code will also be mentioned in the description. I really love the look, and I hope you liked my look as well. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also please comment down below whatever you liked in this look. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button यहाँ है, जरा जल्दी से दबा दो. Also press the bell notification so that you don't miss any video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.